Yeah, the bathroom is massive, super huge. Like there's like a wall mirror here. This is a massive, massive. What number are we?
341 at that side.
Go on then. Someone sounds like they're having lots of fun. And get pizza apparently. Smells vacuumed.
341.
Straight in. Let's have a look at this bathroom. Oh, quite nice. Very nice big mirror. Yeah, it's quite nice baths. Put this bag down. Oh, the bath's massive. Yeah. The bath is really deep and really big. That is like proper full-size bath. You don't see that every day. Especially not in a travel lodge we've been in anyway.
Yeah, this room's the modern.
Oh yeah, it's big. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. It's really tidy, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sort of depressed I didn't do the super room now.
It's
Stay here again, I'll order a super room.
really big. He's already on the coffees. Everyone's having a great time. What's the time? I can take my flip flops off. Yeah, I like this. I think this will do us quite nicely, won't it? So
I should go and get the other two.
yeah, so I think we'll vlog breakfast tomorrow. See what's the crack there as much as we can.
I don't like filming breakfast, do they?
Look at this artwork though. How fantastic is that? It's all little hexagons.
Right, give my Rowan. She doesn't mistake.
Ha 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 ha. As if I wouldn't. You got your milk, bird? Oh. Where are we? Where are we, birds? This is our new home for the night. What you got? You got some milk. Wow. Oh. It's not a ball. It's not going to bounce, buddy. Oh no. You tired? Yeah, so really nice muted tones. Really clean. Super nice. Not really anything outside to look at. I don't think we'll be seeing any planes tucked away. Over here, Rowan's already found the light switches. What have we got? We've got some nice USBs there. Let's see, bud. Nice USBs. Bed light's super bright. There's probably a light above the bed. You've got an aircon unit up there. Rowan's in charge of all the lighting. Rowan's having a cracking time. Let's see if we can get... Oh, there we go. That's a nice lighting. Really nice mood lighting there. Yeah, I really like that. Really like it. It's really nice. So I don't know about anybody else, but I hate just staying somewhere for one night, but this is just more than big enough. We've got two beds pushed together here. Then we've got a double there. So yeah, and a full-size bath, which is mad to me that we've got a full-size bath. Morning guys, so I just wanted to quickly do an overview for this vlog. Breakfast was really good. I didn't film at breakfast, it was so busy today. They've got a massive group of people going to Everest, I believe, from the look of their t-shirts and what they were wearing, and yeah, it was really busy. But I did film what we sort of got on our breakfast table, and it was really great. The room's really great. I would say the aircon's a little bit noisy, but we're sort of, you know, it didn't bother us at all. It's a really warm room, so it was lovely to have the aircon. Not much of a view, but it's light and bright. Very clean hotel, very clean hotel. You leave your table at breakfast, they were straight there cleaning. The room's lovely and clean, it's nice and bright. It doesn't look shabby in any way. It's really nice carpets. We've got a seat by the window, we've got a seat by the desk. I'm editing travel vlog from yesterday. It's just uploading on our, there we go, on the computer. So I'm just waiting for that to be done. The bathroom's super nice, the bath is super big. Yeah, we've really enjoyed it. The hallways, everything's quite clean as well, I must admit. We saw a pizza box last night on the way up to the room, and when we went back down there, it wasn't there. So yeah, the bathroom is massive, super huge. Like there's like a wall mirror here. This is a massive mirror. Yeah, so we're really happy, really happy with the overall room, and the staff are really great, really friendly. Obviously they're used to just overnight travellers, so that's their business, so they're really great. There's mirrors everywhere. There's a mirror where the desk area is here. There's another mirror along this wall. Nice full length mirror, so you can see what you look like. Hello. I should have the camera the other way around, but yeah. So I'm just really impressed with it overall. We had a few people, so I did my makeup here in this mirror in the room while my mum was doing her makeup in the bathroom. I just put a little bit of foundation and blush on, and yeah, so I really rate it. We've had a really good stay. I think it's a really good option. It cost us £122 for the 5 of us. We had a family room, so 4 beds. Rowan just sort of crashed in with us in bed. And Isla and my mum slept in the twin over there, and that also included breakfast for all of us. So the adults, I think, is £9.99 a breakfast, and the children do eat free. So if you've got quite a lot of children you're travelling with, this might be a really good option for you. So your children eat free with an adult meal. But I just think in general, if you know, they weren't that bothered. So I don't think it would be like one child, I wouldn't mind, so to let you feed all your children. So it was really good, really good. And there was absolutely everything on the breakfast buffet that you could absolutely possibly want. And I'll add a screenshot in as well of what's on the breakfast, because it tells you in the room exactly what you get with the breakfast, the full list of everything. So that's a really good option. I really love that. You get this unlimited breakfast and it just tells you everything on there. So I'll put a screenshot in so you can see everything that's on the breakfast. And so yeah, you can make up your choice if you want breakfast or not, if you think of staying in the Travelodge at Gatwick. And I must admit, it says limited parking online, but it's vast, the parking. So unless you're really travelling, I think in the summer holidays with you know, your school children, I think you'd be well away for getting a car parking space. And you can also pre-book your parking space, which I thought was a really good idea. And there is self-terminal parking straight over the road where you can park your car if you're going on holiday, and there are shuttles from outside the front of the hotel to your terminals. So it's everything you could possibly want here, which I just think is fantastic. You could make your stay and your travel just so super easy by staying at the Travelodge at Gatwick. So I really rate it, and I think we'd stay here again. We definitely would stay here again. We haven't got any complaints whatsoever, and the staff are absolutely lovely, really nice. And I think staff can make or break a hotel stay. So yeah, really great. Can't do enough for you, so that's a real positive. So thank you for watching. Bye guys, see you in Florida. Bye. Thanks for rolling with Hatfields.